This is my spider bot, and it stopped working. The dome or hatch or shell doesn't come on anymore. I made a video about it. The clips can break, preventing the shell from coming on when you turn it on. So usually after turning on, I could put it on, but I won't. It makes this buzzing noise. So can you still use the spider bot with it like this? You actually can. You just have to, my wife figured this out. Hold it while you turn it off. Turn it back on.
Spider bot online.
I'm going to do it twice, okay? Because there's usually some type of syncing issue.
Spider bot online.
Once it says it's online and it's blue, you put this down, and now you can try to sync the remote. Turn on. And you see, now it works. Even though the dome doesn't come on. So my wife figured this out. Again, you don't have to have it on. What you have to do is you just have to be holding it in place. And I'm going to self-destruct.
Self-destruct in 3, 2, 1.
So now it's as if it came off. Turn it off. Turn it back on.
Spider bot online.
Once it says it's online, I would turn it off again. Turn it back on.
Spider bot online.
So 2 times. Now I can let it go and sync the remote. Turn it off. That's it. Good to go. And this is if you have a broken dome that doesn't stay on. It's how you can continue to use your spider bot. It may go into sleep mode sometimes, but if you broke it within your 30-day return exchange policy, try to get it exchanged. But if it's after 30 days, contact the manufacturer to see if they'll honor a warranty. I don't see anything warranty information, but maybe they'll replace it within a year. And that's pretty much it. So have a good one.